friends, welcome here again in the next video. Today friends, we are going to take the next part of practice set 5.1. In the previous class, we already discussed about what is that distance formula. So, depend upon that distance formula, today we are going to continue the practice set 5.1. Okay friends, let us start the next example. See here, in the previous video, we completed the first example. Okay, now we'll continue the second example now. See friends, what is that? Determine whether the points are collinear. Means they're given to us 3 points. The coordinates are given to us and we are going to identify whether they are collinear or not. See friends, when we are going to say the 3 points are collinear, see first, it is very important one. Suppose there are 2 possibilities. Okay, maybe they are collinear or maybe they are non-collinear. Okay, suppose they are collinear. So what will be the condition? Look at these 3 points are collinear. We will join them. Okay, they must lie on the same line. Okay friends, look here. This coordinate we know here, this one also and this one also. Friends, first of all we are going to find the distance between these 2 points, and first and last point. So the next point is what? If their sum is these two, sum of these two is nothing but this one, then we can say these 3 points are collinear. If not, then they are not collinear. Understand? This is the system. Okay, let us continue this example and we'll start it for that first sum. Look, first sum, A 1 minus 3, B 2 minus 5, and C minus 4 7. Okay, this is the second question, first sum. Look friends, what is our next part? Just try to observe here. I am going to take D of AB. So that formula we know here. I write just once only. In the next part, I will just write directly. See here, x2 minus x1 bracket square, y2 minus y1 bracket square. See, first of all, x2. See here, AB means we'll take here these 2 points only. Okay, this is x1 y1, x2 y1. So I'll take here. This is 2 minus 1 bracket square, y2 minus 5 minus 3 bracket square. Friends, just try to simplify very correctly. Look here, this is 1 square, that is 1. Here I'll write this plus, minus 5 plus 3 means minus 2 bracket square, this is only 4. Okay friends, just look here, this is root 5. Keep this one as it is. Now the next point is what? D of BC. Look friends, I am not writing here this formula again here. Just write as it is. Look here, B and C means this one will take x1 y1, x2 y2. So first minus 4 minus 2 bracket square plus 7 minus 5 bracket square. Okay, whenever these types of minus signs comes near, just write this square bracket here. Okay, so what we get here now? This is minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 bracket square, and here it is plus 7 plus 5 12 square. Okay, in the next bracket, in the next step we'll write the squares. This is 36 and this is 144. What is their sum here? This is 10 carry 1, 4 plus 4 8, and here is 1 180. 180 means we'll make some factors here. 180 means 36 into 3. Okay, so I think 36 into 3, or just wait and see. 180 means what? 45. Okay, I will take here like this one. This is 180. I'll make some factors here. See here, this is 2 9s are, 2 45s are, 3 15s are, 3 5s are, and this is 5 1s are. So here 2, just 3, and that means 3 2s are 6, 6 root 5. Means that means 36 5s are. Okay, here it is 36 5s are. Take that to this outside, that is 6 root 5. This is what? D of BC. One more point is remaining, that is nothing but AC. Okay, right here. D of AC. Again, no need to write that formula again, just continue here. This A and C, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Right now here, minus 4, minus 1 bracket square. Okay, this 7. Okay, 7 minus 3 bracket square. Is okay? 7 minus 3 bracket square. Now write here plus. So what will be there? This is minus 5 bracket square. Here it is 7 plus 3, 10 square. So this is 25. Here it is 100. So 125. This is nothing but 25 into 5. Take that 5 outside. This is 5. So D of AC. Now look at this. First, D of AB. How much? Root 5. D of BC. 6 root 5. Okay. And the last, D of AC. Okay. 5 root 5. Friends, here the two smaller parts here. See here, 1 root 5. This is 5 root 5. Okay, both these are just smaller than this third one. So add these, or write first greater one first. D of BC, that is 6 root 5, right? Equation number 1. And now I'll add remaining 2 here. So D of AB plus D of AC. This is root 5 plus 5 root 5. That means 6 root 5. So now tell me from 1 and 2 what I can write? From 1 and 2, D of BC is equal to D of AB plus D of AC. Hence we can write points A, B and C are collinear. Yes, because of this reason, they are same. Okay, so in the previous part I explained here, some of these two is nothing but this one, hence these 3 points are collinear. Sometimes, I think in the next question they ask here, which point lies in between other two, if they are collinear. Now can you tell me here? See here A point is repeated. Okay, so this point A lies in between B and C, means B dash, A dash, C we can say. Okay, why? Because first we have to check whether they are collinear. If they are collinear, then which point lies in other 2 points? So here A lies in between B and C. Okay friends, just see here, it is very very simple. Okay, just see here from beginning. Okay friends. Okay, now take second one. See here, what is the second one? Then given to us L. L minus 2, 3. M 1 minus 3 and N 5 minus 4. Okay, all students try to solve that one. Okay, sorry, here just 5 and 4. Okay friends, now friends, you can also solve that like that the first sum what I solved here. Okay, just see here. Look friends, again I'll take LM first. D of LM, that formula. Here x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. I'll put here. I'll just see about L and M. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2. So here we can write here 1 minus 2 square plus minus 3 square. This minus is nothing but from formula. Okay. So what we get here? This is plus. That is 1 plus 2, 3 square, which is 9. Here minus, that is minus 6 square, that is plus 36. Okay, now I'll just write some steps drop here. Okay, just try to understand. Here it is root 45, that means is nothing but root 9 into 5, that is 3 root 5. This is LM. Okay friends, now I'll take here D of MN. Okay, here M and N. Right now here 5 minus 1 square plus 4 minus 3 square. Okay, now just look here, this is plus, there it is 4 square, that is 60. Here 4 plus 3, 7 square, 49. How much you will get here? The sum root 65. Okay, now just look here. This is root 65. We cannot make anything here, split here, because 13 5s are. 39 and 5 both are prime numbers, so we can keep this one as it is. Now, ln, d of ln. Okay, this is x2, we have everything here, 5 minus 2, okay, plus 4 minus 3. Bracket square. Here it is, this plus 5 plus 2, 7, 7 square 49, okay, plus this is 4 minus 3, 1, 1 square is 1 only, okay. Just look here, this is root 50, 50 is nothing but 25, 2s are. Okay, means how much you get? 5 root 2. Okay, now friends, now just I write all these distances. First of all, d of ln. How much? That is nothing but 3 root 5. Okay, d of mn, that is root 65. And d of ln, that is 5 root 2. Now, just try to tell me which one is greater part. Look here, 3 root 5, root 65, 5 root 2. Whenever like this one, to identify which is the greater one, every term write in radical sign. Means this 3 also goes to inside. So here this 3 goes to inside, that is 9. 9 5s are 45, root 45. This is root 65. And if you go this 5 inside, 25. 25 to the 50. So this is 50, this is 65, and this is 45. Means this one is the greater one. Okay, so I'll write first d of mn, which is root 65, write just first, and remaining d of lm plus d of ln. Okay, there's some root 3 root 5 plus 5 root 2. Friends, both these are different. Okay, that means they are not similar term. That means we cannot add here. So keep this one as it is. So from 1 and 2, whether both these are same? It is not same. So write here d of mn, which is not equal to d of lm plus d of ln. Hence we can write here given 3 points. Yes, which are lmn. L, M and N are not collinear. Okay, friends, some students can make mistake. What? See here, first of all, they can make here like this one. This root 45 is nothing but 3 root 5. This 65 we cannot take. Okay, sometimes if it is possible to take like this one, can convert, they are not converting. That is why they are looking at all these are just different. Therefore, they can say if they are collinear, also they can tell us that they are not collinear. Okay, friends. So try to observe here. If possible, take outside. Okay, then only we can add or make like this one. Okay, friends. Try to solve yourself also. Okay. Take third one. See here. Third. R03. Okay. D21. And yes, 3 minus 1. Okay friends, now take first RD. And write just once only that formula. Okay. I'll put the values here. X2 means obviously we take here 2 minus 0 square. Okay. Plus here 1 minus 3 bracket square. So what will get here? 2 square means 4. Here minus 2 square means again 4. Here it is root a means 4 into 2, that brings 2 root 2. Okay friends? Now we'll take here now ds. Okay? Now we'll take here 3 minus 2. Okay? Minus 1 minus 1 bracket square. So here it is 3 minus 2, 1 square, that is 1. Here minus 1 minus 2 bracket square, that is 4. So here it is root 5. Okay, now we take that third one res. Res. Here it is 3 minus 0. Okay, minus 1 minus 3. Okay, here this is 9 plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Minus 4 square, that is 60. Here it is 25. So this means is what? 5. Now I'll just keep everything here and collect here together. D of RD, that is nothing but 2 root 2. D of DS, this is root 5. Okay. And last, D of RS is 5. Now, I think that not cool in here. Just see here. I'll take this 2 to inside. That is 4. 4 to the 8. Root 8. Root 5. This is 25. So this is bigger one. I'll take D of RS is 5. Equation number 1. D of remaining to RD plus D of DS. D of DS, that is 2 root 2 plus root 5. Like just similar. Previous example is also very similar here. So this is equation number 2. Whether these two are same? No. So from 1 and 2, this D of RS which is not equal to D of RD plus D of DS. Hence what we can write here now? Given 3 points are not collinear. We can say here RDES also. 3 points, we write here R, D and ES are not collinear. Okay friends, just first example, if we give concentration, then remaining all examples you can solve very easily. So the first of all, try to give concentration. Okay, here some algebraic when you are doing steps, at that time you can make mistake. Okay, sometimes say minus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, yeah, minus, or we write here plus 3 or plus 4, like this one. So this is very important. Okay, but here sometimes you can make some lucky also. Why? Because minus 1 minus 3 actually minus 4, but if you think 4, that 4 square is also 16. But not every time. Okay, but every time you should correct. Okay, then you can get correct answer also. Okay friends, now the last sum of this question number 2 here. Okay, see, P minus 2 3, P minus 2 3, Q1 2 and R4 1. Just repeat the same thing here. D of PQ. Okay, alright, now just let's drop here. See here, 1 minus 2 bracket square. Here 2 minus 3 bracket square. Okay, why? Now you can understand very easily. It is plus. So tell me how much? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 square 9. Plus 2 minus 3 minus 1 square plus 1. So this one is what? Root 10. Okay, now can you understand? Yes. See here, D of QR. See here, 4 minus 1. Here 1 minus 2. There it is 3 square 9 plus minus 1 square, it is plus 1. Okay, this is also root 10. Now next, D of PR. Here it is 4 minus 2 plus 1 minus 3. Okay, what will you get here now? This is plus 4 plus 2 6 square 36. Here minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 square is 4. Okay, this means root 40 and that 40 indicates 4 into 10. So 2 root 10. Now I'll just write all these here. So D of PQ, which is root 10, D of QR, this is again root 10, and D of PR, it is 2 root 10. Okay friends, now which one is greater one? Obviously PR. So write D of PR. That is 2 root 10, write equation number 1. Remaining 2, we'll just add here. D of PQ plus D of QR. that is root 10 plus root 10. Yes, 1 root 10 plus 1 root 10, that is 2 root 10. This is equation number 2. So friends, from 1 and 2, what we can write now? D of PR, which is exactly equal to D of PQ plus D of QR. Yes? Hence we can write now, given 3 points. Which are the 3 points here? PQR. P, Q and R are collinear. Again I am going to think here, if they are collinear, which point lies in remaining 2 points here? Just how to identify. Look here. Here, this side, if they are collinear at that time only. Here, this point Q is repeated here. Okay? So now this point Q is in between P and R. Okay? So we can write here, point Q lies in between P and R. Or you may write in symbolic form, that is P dash Q dash R. Or you may write R dash Q dash P as well. Okay friends? Very simple. If you understand, you can solve so many examples. Just look here. Okay? Friends, in the question number 3 here. Now it is just different one. Try to think here. Look friends, find the point on the x-axis. Look friends, whenever a point which is on the x-axis, its y-coordinate is 0. Just try to think here. Okay, which is equidistant from, there are 2 points, A and B here. Okay, look here. Suppose I take here point A is here. This is third question friends. Okay, maybe sometimes here this point which is on x here. This is x-axis. Okay, so I take that x-axis point is some different point like here P here. Because of this one, its y-coordinate is 0. Why? Because it lies on x-axis. So I take here this is as a. Okay, now one more point is here B, 1 minus 4. Okay, I'll take here somewhere B, 1 minus 4. A is how much? Yes, minus 3, 4. Okay, it is just approximate. Yeah, try to think here. Okay, now I will join these two. Look here, I'll just join these two. Like this. And what they given to us? They are equidistant. They are equidistant. So this point lies on x-axis. Yes. So this particular point is equidistant from A and B. So we are going to find the coordinates from this point. Yes. Like that only then given to us. Okay friends. So first of all I will write here. Let PA0 lies on x-axis. Therefore, its y-coordinate is 0. Okay, this is in bracket I will write here. Okay, now they given to us AP is equal to B. That is then given to us. Now here A and B is there. This is P here. Okay friends, now just very important, both these are same. So by applying what? Distance formula. But remember friends, it is very important one. So both the sides I will apply what? Distance formula. Friends, here I am not writing that formula, but just try to observe. Okay, so I will take this x1 y1, this is x2 y1. Okay, afterwards, again this is x1 y1, this is x2 y1. So what do we get here? Now just about A here. This x2 minus x1 means A minus minus 3. A minus minus 3. Understand? Plus this square. Don't forget to write that one. Here 0 minus 4. Okay? Now very similar here. A minus 1 bracket square. Here 0 minus minus 4. 0 minus minus 4 bracket square. Understand what I did here? Just try to observe. Yeah. Okay friends, I make here plus. Here also plus. Okay. Now square to both sides. Square to both sides. Means I just remove that radical side. What will you get here? A plus 3 bracket square. Am I right? Here Minus 4 bracket square means just plus 16. This side. A minus 1 bracket square plus. Here also plus 4 means plus 16. Okay. Now if you observe both sides same term is there with plus 16 plus 16. So what they are getting cancel. Cancel in the sense if you take this 16 to this side minus 16. So 16 minus 16 0. That is right. Now here a plus 3 bracket square, a minus 1 bracket square. I will just make here, you can make here taking root to both sides also. But friends, don't make like that one. Sometimes a value we can get two values. That is right. I'll expand. This is as like a plus b bracket square. So a plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a minus b bracket square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a square plus 2 into ab, b stands for 3 here, plus 3 square. This side again a square minus 2 into a into 1 means 2ab like that, plus b square. Okay, now these two getting cancels. Understand? Because of a square lines. Now what do we get here? This is plus 6a plus 9, this side minus 2a plus 1. So I'll take this minus 2a to this side, 6a plus 2a, 9 goes to that side, 1 minus 9. So here it is 8a is equal to minus 8. So a is equal to minus 8 upon 8, a is equal to minus 1. Means we'll get the value a and that is nothing but here. Therefore, P A0, here it is minus 1, 0. Find the coordinate of that particular point, that one will find. Understand friends? This is very very simple, but only make here sure all these are correct or not. Okay, here only we need concentration. Understand friends? Okay, friends, the fourth sum, it is again just different now. Again we have to use distance formula every time. Okay, look here. Verify that points P minus 2, 2, Q 2, 2, R 2, 7. Look here. P is fourth one. P, yes, minus 2, 2, Q 2, 2, and R 2, 7 are the vertices of right angle triangle. Look friends, this if we join all these 3 points, we'll get right angle triangle. That one we have to verify. So first of all, we have to find all the 3 sides. Okay, that means PQ, QR and PR. Afterwards, like converse of Pythagoras, take the greater one, make square, write equation number 1 and remaining 2 squares and then add it. If they are same, then we can say it is right angle triangle. Okay, so first of all what we have to find? All the 3 sides here. Okay, look here. First, I'll take here D of PQ. Again, that formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Here because of PQ means 2 minus 2 means minus minus 2. Here 2 minus 2 bracket square. Okay. So this is what plus 2 plus 2 4. 4 square and this is 0. Means what? Here it is root 16 means only 4. This is about PQ. Okay now. What about D of QR? Okay, here also try to use the formula 2 minus 2. Okay, now 7 minus 2. Very simple. This is just 0 only. Here it is 5 square means root 25. This is nothing but 5. Okay, in the next one, D of PR. What is that PR? Okay, 2 minus minus 2 bracket square. Okay, and here 7 minus 2. So here it is plus. How much you get here? This is 2 plus 2, 4 square. This is 7 minus 2, 5 square. What we get here? This is 16 plus 25. Is it okay? 4 square 16, 5 square 25 means here it is root 41. Now friends, all the 3 sides we get here. This is 4, 5 and root 41. Let's see here. Now I'll write all these out. D of PQ is 4, D of QR is 5. Okay. And what about D of PR? root 41. Now tell me which is the greater one. This is, make it square. It is 16. Why square? Because here it is in radical sign. So all these also put in radical sign. Okay, here root 16. This is root 25. So this one is greater. Right? This is first. D of PR. That is root 41 square to both sides. Okay, what do you get? Both sides means? Okay, here instead of writing PR, you may write only PR also. Yes, I write just PR. Okay? Make this square. What do you get? PR square is equal to 41. This is equation number 1. And what about the remaining two? PQ square plus QR square. PQ square means 4 square, this is 5 square, here it is 16 plus 25, again 41. Friends, what will you get here? Therefore, from 1 and 2, what you can write? PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Therefore, by converse of Pythagoras, what you can write? Triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. Means which angle is right angle here? Yes, which one is greater one? Yes, here PR. Means Q angle is 90. Yes, because of this one is the greater side. Okay, so PR. The opposite angle means obviously Q. Angle is 90. Understand, friends? Like this we can verify. It is again very important. But here also we have to apply what? Distance formula. Each and every time apply distance formula. Okay, friends? Understand? Friends, take the next fifth sum. Here we have to show the 4 vertices are given. By joining them, we get one quadrilateral and we have to show it is parallelogram. Okay, see, when we can say the given quadrilateral is parallelogram, that identities, we know already, properties we know in last year, 9th standard, quadrilateral topic was there. So, when we can say it is quadrilateral, parallelogram, if we prove opposite sides are congruent, then it is okay to say it is what? Parallelogram. Okay, see now, again, what? Distance formula. See first, show that the points. Look here, this is fifth question. Okay, I'll draw one rough figure here. It is P, Q, R, S. Okay, P, 2 minus 2. Q, it is given 7, 3. Okay, R, 11 minus 1. And what about S? 6 minus 6. Okay, so here we have to prove it is what? Parallel. So for that I am going to find all the sides of this quadrilateral. Okay, by using distance formula. See first, friends, D of PQ. Every time by using distance formula. That formula we already know here. So I'll write here 7 minus 2. Is it okay, man? Yes. 3 minus minus 2. 3 minus minus 2. Okay. So what we get here? This is pi square 25 plus, here it is plus 3 plus 2, 5 pi square 25. This is root 50. You can write here like 25 into 2. This is pi root 2. This is PQ. Or you may write only PQ also. Yes? Then QR. What about QR? Again here 11 minus 7. Okay, plus minus 1 minus 3. Now here 11 minus 7, 4. 4 square 60. Plus here it is minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. That square is again 60. What do we get here? This is 32, and that 32 we can write like 16 into 2. Make here 4 root 2. This is QR. Okay. Now the next SR. Okay. Right now 11 minus 6. X2 minus X1. It is 11 minus 6 bracket square plus minus 1 minus 6. Minus 6. Now look friends. Here it is minus minus plus. So what do we get here? 11 minus 6, 5, 5 square. Here minus 1 plus 6, again it is 5, 5 square. So this one is what? 25 plus 25 means root 50. Okay, that one also we can write in the form of like 25 into 2 means, so this SR means 5 root 2. This is about SR. Now what about this PS? Again it is also, look here, x2 minus x1 means 6 minus 2. Okay, here minus 6 minus minus 2. Minus 6 minus minus 2 brackets. Here plus. So this one is what? 6 minus 2 4, 4 square 60. Plus. Here minus minus plus. Minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 square. Again it is plus 16. Here it is what? 32. Means 16 into 2. Take 16 outside. That is 4. Which is nothing but I'll collect all. That is PQ is nothing but what? Here 5 root 2. Okay, or we write here this PQ and this 5 root 2. Okay, so QR 4 root 2. Okay friends, here SR is 5 root 2. PS is 4 root 2. Means what? PQ and this PQ is what? 5 root 2. SR is also 5 root 2. So we'll collect together like this. And what about QR 4 root 2? PS 4 root 2. QR and PS both are 4 root 2 means opposite sides are same. Therefore what can write? Quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay friends, very easy it is. Just try to find all sides of this quadrilateral and by using property opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Using that one we can say. Okay friends. Friends, in the sixth sum, again it is very similar. In that fifth sum, we verified that quadrilateral is parallel. Now in the sixth one, we are going to verify that, or we have to show that one is a rhombus. To say a quadrilateral is rhombus, yes, which condition we need here? Just try to find all sides. If all sides of that quadrilateral are same, congruent, then what we can say? It is a rhombus. Okay, very similar. Try to find 4 times or 4 sides here. Show they are equal. Then it is rhombus. Okay, see here. ABCD is there. So I'll draw one rough figure here. Yes, friend. See here. It is looking like rectangle. Just is a quadrilateral. Remember. So tell me what are the coordinates of A here? A for yes, minus 4, minus 7. Okay, and B minus 1, 2, C 8, 5, and D 5 minus 4. Okay, let us just continue what we saw in previous sum. Here also I have to repeat the same procedure. See here, D of AB means I write just AB here. Using distance formula. See here, minus 1 minus 4. Okay, 2 minus 7. Okay, yeah, plus, here also plus. What do you get here? Minus 1 plus 4 plus 3. 3 square 9. Here, 2 plus 7, 9. 9 square 81. This is nothing but root 90. So this 90 indicates what? 9 into 10. So this is 3 root 10. Okay. Now what about BC now? Look here. Just repeat the same thing. 8 minus 1, that is minus 1, okay? 8 minus 1 plus 5 minus 2 brackets. So what do we get here? Plus 8 plus 1, 9 square, that is 81. Here 5 minus 2, 3 square, 9. So here also root 90. That 90 is nothing but 9 into 10. So this is also 3 root 10. Okay, now about CD or DC. Again, 8 minus 5 plus here 5 minus 4. Okay friends, here it is plus. So what we get here? This is 3 square, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 square, 81. So here this is also root 90, means 9 into 10. Take 9 outside, 3 root 10. Okay? Now the last one about AD. What is that AD? Look at 5 minus 4. Okay, minus 4, minus 7. Look here, this is plus, also plus. Tell me what? 9 square, 81. Here, minus 4 plus 7. That is plus 3. 3 square, 9. Again, root 90. 90 means what? 9 into 10. So this is 3 root 10. Look friends, each and every side will go. Okay, can you see here? All sides are same here. Yes. Look here, very simple. So right here, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, which is equal to 3 root 10. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Yes. Look how simple all these are. Okay, friend. Just see here. Friends, in the second last, 7th one. See here. Find x if the distance between points L and M is 10 is given. Okay, see here. What they are given to us. 7th one. We are going to find the value of x. So that x is in somewhere the coordinates of L is there. Okay, and the distance is given. So you see here first L x 7. Okay, and M 150. So there given to us d of LM is 10. That is distance between L and M is 10 is given to us. We are going to find x is very simple. This is as like 2 marks question. Okay friends. So look here by distance formula. Okay, d of Ln is equal to, you can write here now. This is very simple. So write the formula again here. Okay friends, now this is 10 that given to us. x2, you can write here this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7. Minus means this minus is in formula. That is why. y2 1 minus x. Okay, now look here. Here it is 8 square 64. This is 1 bracket we find it. This is 10. So we don't need this root side. So make square to both sides. Okay. So 10 square 100. Now this remove this radical sign. Okay friends. Now we have to expand this one. See here. This is 100. Okay, is equal to 64. Expand here. This is as like 1 minus b. Sorry, a minus b bracket square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. A for 1, b for x, like this one. Okay, now I take x square here. Okay, this is 0. I put here, take 100 as well. That's okay, x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 64. Okay, now take this 100 minus 100. Okay, instead of writing 0 this side, I'll write that side 0. So what we get here? X square minus 2x. Okay, now here how much? Plus 65 minus 100 means minus 35 is equal to 0. This is as like one quadratic equation. Okay, see friends, what we need here? Minus 2. We have to, okay, split minus 2 and then product should be minus 35. Okay, because of minus, I'll write here greater number sign minus and here plus. So there should be, the product should be minus 35. 35 means obviously 7 5s are, their difference is 2. Write the greater one and smaller one. Is it correct? Yes. Now we can write directly because here 1 is there. Whenever coefficient of square term is 1, at that time we can write directly. See here. Okay, now here write x, write these two minus 7 plus 5. Is it okay? Like this. Now product of two terms is 0. Then first may be 0 or second may be 0. So here x equal to 7, x equal to minus 5. So there are two possibilities of x. You can write here, therefore x equal to 7 or x equal to minus 5. Minus 5. This is the answer. Look friends, this is just 2 marks question, but make sure this is correct or not. Okay friends? Friends, in the last sum, that is 8th one, look here. Show that the points A, B, C that given to us with their coordinates, okay, are vertices of an equilateral triangle. Means we have to show after drawing that triangle or A, B, C will join all the vertices. We'll get one triangle and that triangle we have to show it is equilateral triangle. Friends, tell me when the triangle is said to be equilateral triangle. Obviously what? All sides are same. Here also very similar as like we find that right angle triangle we show no. Very similar here also, try to find all sides. If they are same, automatically it becomes what? Equilateral triangle. Okay friends, see first. A, B, C they are given to us. This is 8th one. A vertex is given, that is 1, 2. B 1, 6. And C, it is just different. 1 plus 2 root 3 and 4 here. Okay, just take care here. Okay, friends, I'll find now AB using distance formula. So just think about A and B only. Okay, friends. So x2 minus x1, 1 minus 1 bracket square, 6 minus 2 bracket square. So what we get here? This is 0. And here 4 square means root 16. It is 4. What about this is A? And okay, now what about BC here? Again, BC means x2 minus x1. See here 1 plus root 2 root 3 minus 1 bracket square. This is x2, x1. x2 minus x1. Okay, plus 4 minus 6 bracket square. See here, what we get this 1 getting cancelled. 2 root 3 square means 4 into 3. Is it okay? Plus, here 4 minus 6 minus 2 square is 4. So what we get here? 12 plus 4 root 16. Again it is 4. Okay, this is what about BC. Now what about AC here? D of AC. Okay, AC means again here this is x2 minus x1, 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 1 bracket square. Okay, now 4 minus 2 bracket square. Now here also this 1 getting cancelled because of plus 1 minus 1. So what we get here? 4 into 3. It is okay because of square. Now plus here also 2 square 4. So friends, what we get here? 12 plus 4. This is root 16. So this is also 4. Just try to observe here. Okay, here we can write AB. Here we can write BC. And this is AC. Look friends, here AB is what? 4. This is what? 4. AC again 4. Means all these are same. So AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 4. All sides are same. And we know in a triangle if all sides are same, then it is equilateral triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay friends, look here. Very simple. In each and every example of this practice set, what we used? We used here only distance formula. So friends, try to use perfect distance formula each and every time. Okay friends? So today we completed all the examples of this practice set. Okay? In the next video, we'll continue the next part of this topic. Okay friends? Thank you.